Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled LangChain Fundamentals. Orchestrating LLMs for complex tasks. Imagine you have a super smart robot, an LLM, large language model, that can write poems, answer questions, or summarize text. That's amazing. But what if you wanted to do something more complicated? Like find me the latest news about AI, summarize it, and then tell me if it's positive or negative. That's like asking a single musician to play an entire symphony alone. It's hard. LangChain is like the conductor of an orchestra. It helps your LLM, the star musician, work together with other tools and steps to perform complex symphonies or tasks seamlessly. It's a framework that makes building powerful AI applications much easier for developers. Think of an LLM as a brilliant expert who's really good at one thing: talking and generating text based on what you tell it. If you ask it, "What's the capital of France?" Single quote, it knows. But what if you ask, "What's the weather like in Paris today?" It can't actually check the weather in real time. It only knows what it was trained on. Or, what if you wanted to read this long document, extract key facts, and then write a summary for a 5-year-old? That requires multiple steps and maybe even using a search engine. LLMs, by themselves, can't easily connect to the internet, remember past conversations, or perform multi-step reasoning. This is where LangChain steps in to bridge these gaps. At the heart of everything LangChain does is the LLM itself. You can think of an LLM as a highly advanced text predictor. You give it some text, a prompt, and it tries to predict what words should come next to complete your request. It has learned from an enormous amount of text data on the internet. For developers, this means we can integrate different LLMs, like OpenAI's GPT models or Google's PaLM, into our applications. LangChain provides a standardized way to talk to these different LLMs, so you don't have to learn a new way for each one. It's like having a universal remote for all your smart devices. Just like giving instructions to a person, how you prompt an LLM makes a huge difference. A prompt is simply the input text you give to the LLM. If you say, "Write a story," you'll get a generic story. If you say, "Write a short, funny sci-fi story about a cat who becomes a rocket scientist, in the style of Douglas Adams," you'll get something much more specific and interesting. LangChain helps developers manage and optimize these prompts. It allows you to create prompt templates, predefined structures for your instructions, so you can easily fill in variables, like a user's name or a specific topic, to generate consistent and effective prompts without writing them from scratch every time. This is where the orchestration really comes into play. A chain in LangChain is like a series of connected steps or a workflow. Instead of just one interaction with an LLM, you can link multiple interactions or tools together. For example, you could have a chain that 1. Takes a user's question, 2. Passes it to an LLM to rephrase for a search engine, 3. Uses a search tool to find information, 4. Passes the search results and the original question to another LLM to synthesize an answer. This creates a powerful sequence. LangChain provides many types of built-in chains, making it easy for developers to combine these logical steps without complex manual coding. Think of it as building with Lego bricks, where each brick is an LLM call or a tool. Imagine our expert LLM not just following instructions, but deciding what to do next. That's an agent. An agent is an LLM that can choose which tools to use based on the task at hand. Tools are functions that an LLM can interact with, like a search engine, a calculator, a calendar, or even a custom function you write. For example, if you ask an agent, What's the current population of Tokyo? Single quote. It might first decide it needs a search engine tool, use it. Get the answer. And then tell you. If you ask, what's 123 asterisk 456? Single quote. It might decide to use a calculator tool. Agents give your applications incredible flexibility, allowing them to perform dynamic, multi-step reasoning and interact with the real world beyond their training data. LangChain simplifies the complex world of building LLM-powered applications. For developers, it means faster development, asterisk less boilerplate code, more focus on your unique application logic, more powerful apps, asterisk easily combine LLMs with external data, APIs, and complex reasoning, flexibility, asterisk switch between different LLMs, tools, and chains with minimal changes, scalability, asterisk build robust applications that can handle real-world scenarios. It transforms LLMs from clever chatbots into intelligent, adaptable components in your software, opening up a universe of possibilities for creating innovative AI solutions. From smart assistants to automated data analysis tools and beyond. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.